Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Talkback in Vivo S17. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Then I was already in the Talkback, but you should see the settings like I have right here. Now we need to scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. Then scroll down and enter accessibility. First option should be the Talkback, and now you can activate. Or deactivate it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.